All right, nice. Testing, testing. Let me check that I am indeed live. Yep, we are live. Cool. Okay, let's get started. We're back again on making a DLL injector. Right, and I put this to do to remind me that this is actually supposed to go up here. So that when we go down to the go-to here, that H thread is not an undefined variable. Let me also make some spacing here, right? And then you wait for the object. And then I said I was going to write shellcode in order to do the load library in the other process. But what I also realized I can do is, let me split the screen here for a moment. There we go. I always forget how to resize the screens. Vim, let me look that up. Vim resize windows. Control W equals. Okay. Opening everything. Okay. Control W equals. There we go. Much better. Section.c. Yes, there is enum process modules, which takes a process handle. I could literally get the handle that I had in the first place, and I could use it to actually confirm that the library was loaded successfully, which just makes it a bit more portable when you port it to different architectures, which is always nice. Let's see. Okay, so in response to that, I don't think I want the lib name. I think what I actually want is an H module. So that I can do like get module file name. Yep. And what does that do for me again? Right, so I get a fully qualified path basically for free. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I know that. Yes, and then I can use that to compare some of the paths I get from enum process modules, which should be nice. Okay, right. So how we're going to do this is wait for single object. And then right, so I'm going to use enum process modules. Well, actually, no, I'll keep the lib name. And then, right, there's CB. Yes. Okay. So now I'm not going to care about the exit code. Yeah, I'm not going to care about the exit code, and instead I'm going to say keyword cd needed. Equals 0. Actually, I'm probably not even going to check the error code, because this should work. Okay. What else was there? H process, LPH module. Not get current process, H process. Oops. That's great. H process null 0 and CD needed. Well, actually, if it fails the first time, it's probably going to fail the other times. Yeah, so what I'm going to do there is that. And then, okay, so this gets the size that I need in the first place, and then I'm going to say, yes, it's an array of H module, so I'm going to say H module, LPH modules equals malloc. Do I have stdlib? I don't have stdlib, okay. CB needed if LPH modules is equivalent to no. Or not enum process modules, H process modules, CB needed, no. Can I pass null to that? I actually forgot. Nope. Okay, that's fine. We'll just reuse it again. And CB needed. Let's exit out of that so we get a bit more room there. Error. Fail to enumerate all the process modules. Sad. Or I should be able to get an error code here, probably. I don't know. I feel like sad's a better error message than that. It's a tough one, really. Go to load done. And because we can get the H modules, how about we just say H module? Right. Which means we need to sort of change that. H module, H module equals null. And then we'll make a new one here. Right, which means I need to sort of put it up here. Yep. Equals no LPH modules equals malloc CB needed. And then for enter size dash, probably size dash T. Or how about D word? Yeah, because it is CB needed here. D word N DW modules equals CB needed over size of H module equals 0. I is less than DW modules I plus plus. Let's see. I want to get the full name of the library instead of just the name itself. If LPH modules is not equal null, free LPH modules. If LP lib name full is not equal null, free LP lib name full. Okay. I'm going to use get full path A. What was it? Get full path name A? Yes. There we go. So that's full. And then, okay. So I'm going to also do cons LP lib name part. Yeah, I don't really have to initialize it actually, because I'm going to do, okay, so it's a return value, right? Yeah, okay. Keyword lib name full len equals get full path name A. And then I'm gonna do LP lib name, right, 0. And then null, and then null. And then, so LP lib name full equals malloc LP lib name full len if LP lib name full is null, or get full path name A. Or how about LP with name full and equals get name A. LP lib name, and as far as my build through is now LP lib name full len LP well, actually, this isn't really proper. Yeah, because I'm probably gonna get like an access violation if this is null but the length isn't 0. Yeah, okay. Get full path A. Yep, we'll just do this. That's fine. And I'd rather put this on its own line. Okay. LP lib name full len LP lib name full and LP lib name parts. Fail to get full path of the library. Get faster. Go to load done. Right, okay. Okay. Yes, so now if I go to enum, process modules, if get module file name each module, each current mod equals LPH modules, I get module file name a get module file name a. H current mod LP file name. Where's LP file name? Oh right, LP file. Oh no, wait, it's an output thing. Okay. Oh, I had to use file name ex. Okay, right, sure. So if the function succeeds, the return value specifies the length of the string copied to the buffer. Okay. Yeah, so it seems like I have to know the file name beforehand, which is fine. We'll probably just default to max math, and that's it. I think that's also what they do there anyways. It's like a max math thing. Yeah, max math. There we go. Or char sc current mod name max path get module file name exa each current mod. Let's do that. Yeah, that looks better. Each current mod, each process, then each current mod, then size of. Let me expand that a little bit more so I can sort of see that. Oh, then I want to say sc current mod name. I'm going to say size of sc current mod name. It would technically be more proper to do it like here, but I'm just using the ASCII version because whatever. Or actually, okay, I should probably warn them, but yeah. Getting module %d failed. Continue. Yeah, it's not necessarily an error condition. Not go to. Just continue. Yep. And then if they have a sure I compare, right? Yes, they do. Okay. Sure, let me use that then. If not, sure I compare sc current mod name to this full path that we have right here. LP lib name full. By the way, get full path should include the null terminator. I think I remember that being a thing. Not including the null terminator. I love Windows. I love Windows so much. They'll actually change between the two. Sometimes they'll include the null terminator. Sometimes they just won't. Oh, right. This is one I don't want. Okay. +1. And then I'm going to say LP lib name full. LP lib name full len. Or I even do this. +1. Does it actually put a null? Oh, it receives the null terminated strings in. It receives the null terminated string anyways. Okay, cool. So I don't need to worry about that. And I'm going to say found module in other process. How about found module in targets? Then let's see, current mod name, and h current mod, h module equals h current mod. So that's done. If h module is equivalent to null, fail to find injected library in target. And then how about set last error? How about error not found? That is an error code, right? Yeah, error not found. Though I think this is different from like file not found. Okay. I guess I did forget to put some music. Hold on. Let me scroll through Spotify real quick. How about this album? Cool. So I think that should kind of work. I don't know. Sure. Let's compile it, see what syntax errors we get. We get a lot of them. Nice. Okay, let's take them one at a time. What about 65? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need that again. Cannot convert from, right. I think I made that same mistake too. H module here. Make cannot convert argument 4 from pop. Really? Oh right, yeah. Because that's not actually what it is. It is still star. Make. I'm still not sure if I want to use it, because the thing is, I was thinking about maybe potential edge cases where like the full path wouldn't line up with this current module name. And And so that's kind of a weird thing to sort of think about. For now, it's easier not to just to do the string compare, but maybe I want to actually search to the end of the buffer. Or I want to do the full path. I think doing the full path is probably better. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I guess I don't really need this then immediately. Yeah, I can keep this null. Whoa! Feeling a bit sippy now, are we then? Okay, let's make it again. 72. What's going on 72? Oh, I forgot a comma. Make. 108. 108. Oh wow, it took me right to there. Nice. Remind me what's wrong with this again? Enum process modules. Right, because it actually I didn't import it. There we go. What header file was that again? That's not, okay, hold on. Enum process modules. PSAPI, I guess I have to import PSAPI.h? I thought that was included in Windows already. I don't know. Okay. Sure, why not? Let's include PSAPI.h. PSAPI.h. Oh, right. 127. Where's that? Here. Forgot a comma. Cool. Success. Right. Because it's H module. Okay. Let's launch it. See what happens. Ooh. Then so I launch it and it immediately dies. That's cool. Or how about I put, yeah, let me step into it. Oh, because I did actually fail to load the library. Failed to get full path of the library. Okay. Yep. Oh, right. Of course. Okay. Yeah, it seems like I want to put the debugger in like its own window so that it doesn't really hold me that time. Though I think this is, yeah, I need to write it and then make it again. Cool. See that? Launch. Great. Great, and I got that. And then, how about comma footer. hmods sub I. Oh wait, so yep, okay. Let's launch again. Let me see injection.dll. Yeah, that actually checks out. That's cool. Yep. So now I have the pointer. So now I have the actual pointer to the H module, and that's cool. We don't get as in-depth of error information as I might have would have liked from like the remote thread, but I can live with that, to be honest. If it like works most of the time, it's good. And again, I enjoy the portability of not having to write shellcode to sort of inject to the process. I would assume it's also kind of less suspicious, like antiviruses would be less prone to sort of flag that. So I can load whatever I want. Now what I would actually like to do is I have no idea if this is going to work, but it's going to be interesting to try. So I want to create suspended. I would definitely like to close the process if I fail at all. Also, do I have exit failure? I believe I should still have that on Windows. I know that's a thing on Linux. Yeah, okay, so I still have that. I think or actually, do I want to? No, I don't think I want to terminate the I actually don't think I want to terminate the process. If I do that, I think I want to continue. Because like on top of being able to create processes, I think it would be cool to also inject in actual running processes and then suspend them if need be. So I don't want to suddenly kill a process that someone's actually using just because I failed at like one thing. So yeah, we're not going to do that. I guess I would still like to resume the threads in that case. Do I want to put it in its own separate function so that I can sort of manage that better Yeah, why not? Actually, no, I think it's fine. Now what I would like to do is exe name x path I would like to do a similar thing that I did up above. What I actually want to do is to make the executable a bit more self-contained. Instead of loading a library, I would actually like to load this exe, which you're allowed to do with some caveats. Like for instance, like your import address table isn't really patched up or anything like that. There is load library exe. Yeah, like you can actually do this. This is a nice article that just sort of shows you how you would do this. I probably won't update the import table for that. I think I can sort of stick to I should just kind of be able to stick to using kernel 32 functions and then passing them in like a create remote thread call. It'll make more sense when I actually get to it. So now I can use get module file name. Get module file name. If get module file name A. Can I use null? Yes, I can. Null. SCEXE name, size of SCEXE name. Does that include the null terminator? Oh, it's just the size of the buffer, so yeah, that would include it. So if the buffer is too small, it returns n size. This is not including the null terminator. So I say equivalent to nope. Equivalent to size of SC name. Actually, yeah, let's just make it a separate one. Static and injector. Yeah. Handle each process. Char. DLLs. Int and DLLs. cp DLL names. Right. Sure, and then we can do whatever we want here. Drag that up there. So what is it? I equals, well, now 0. I is less than I DLL count. And then what I can actually do here is I can say int exit code equals injector main. I forgot why I had this here. Oh, right, because I, yes, do that. RV sub 1. Right, because first it's my exe. Right, and I also want to do that as well. Right, so argv0, argv1, and then argc, I think it was argc -2. Right, because one of them was the command line and the other one is my executable right here. So that should work. Oh, right, and then I want the process, pi.h process. To do, don't wait for the process to finish. Or should I say no? It's not really a to do. Yeah, no, it's probably better. Wait for process to finish when building release. Just use it. Actually, I guess that is a to-do because there are macros to do that sort of thing. Right, so when I have the injector main, there failed to get oh right, I don't actually need this. Okay. So I can actually forgo this even, which is nice. Failed to get exe module name. %d get okay. Then I want to say if not load library node a pi.h well, not pi anymore, it's just h process. Same thing here. And then I want to change this to null as well. Just make that explicit. This one as well. SCEXE name. H module H module exe. Yeah, I actually want to store this in a variable. If H module exe is equivalent to null. Error F failed to get or failed to load ourselves remotely and address and process. At last, error. Return exit failure. Debug F. We did the thing. We loaded ourselves. Or not get last error H module exe. All right, let's make it. Exit code. Make argv undeclared identifier. Wait, okay, I went out of there too fast. 183, where is that? Oh yeah, that is definitely an undeclared identifier. EP DLL names. Naming our variables PP is how we get demonetized from YouTube. Make. Great. Go back to the other window. Debug that again. What now? Yes, we did the thing! We loaded ourselves. And it worked! Unsurprising. Okay. Okay. Now. I'm probably gonna change some last minute things and then wrap up. But yeah, just follow no backslash in here. What is this? I'm not sure why rad debugger is taking some time to sort of start that up. It's fine, but that's something. So we did the thing, we loaded ourselves, and then we're ejecting that. So yeah, we're good here. But yes, the thing I actually want to do later is we're going to, yeah, we're not going to do this load library remote call. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to rely on kernel 32 functions and Well, actually, that's a detail. Yeah, we might do that. We might not do that. But what we're gonna do is we loaded ourselves into the remote address space. Oh, actually, before that, let's actually confirm it works. I'm gonna. It works. Sure. I guess I don't even have to decal spec export it. Yeah, let's just make it static. Return 1337. Sure. Debug f confirming loading worked. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say long, or probably even dword is fine. Dword offset equals get module handle. There's not an ASCII version there, it's just get. No wait, I think it is get module handle A. Yeah, okay. So get module handle A, which takes the file name where we're going to provide a null because we want the offset there. Minus dword. It works. Or not dword. What is it? Probably long pointer. Yeah, long pointer seems good. Maybe long pointer? Yeah. I think there's also like image based on Windows, that might be better. Windows. Yes, there is a pseudo header. Yep. So I'd rather use that actually. -- image base. Thanks, Raymond Chen. Oh, I have to make it an extern thing. Extern. We are a C++ file, so we can sort of just be lazy here and say image base. I'm gonna make it a char because I'm lazy. And so what I can do here is then and let me see if that actually works right now. It does. Nice. Okay. Wait, did I write it? Yes. Okay, so it does work. Yeah, and this is kind of nicer than doing an H module. I mean, I guess this works too. And I don't really need this extern variable declaration. Well, it saves me a function call. I don't think that really matters that much. This is more explicit anyways, yeah. And then it's a void. Yeah, it's a void pointer anyways. Equals actually wait, I don't want to. Yeah, let's do a dword. Dword. It works. Equals, what is it? So this would be plus DW offset. What's our module? H module exe. Nah, then again, I'm sort of doing an H module thing here. Yeah, okay, let's just do module. But yes, if that is a trick that you can do on Windows, so the more you know. If that was even something you wanted to know. Handle H thread H dumb thread. Sure, why not? I don't really care about this. Create remote thread. So what remote thread are we? What is it? H process. No attributes. Determine the stack size yourself. Actually, I do want to actually make sure that the thread routine is fine. Right? Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I think I forgot to say that it's the Win API. Yes, that's important to specify. D-word Win API. Void star param. Void param. Actually, I would like to specify this is unused. Oh, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bim, calm down there. Unused. Void. Unused. It works per... So I can just say it works. And I guess this would be... Oh, this would probably be LP thread. Start team. Oh, okay. LP thread. Okay. And then this is unused, so we don't need to do anything with it. Run it immediately. Don't care about the thread ID. If... Oh, right, forgot a semicolon there. If hdum thread does not equal null, we're going to wait for a single object. Hdum thread, and we're going to wait for it as long as it takes. Else error failed to start thread. Testing it works. Get last error. Right, I'm also going to be a bit lazy about cleaning things up, because this is just an injector main, which is called once, and it's not supposed to be called more than once. And then it just exits shortly after, so I'm not going to bother cleaning things up. And then I can do exit code. So get exit code thread. If get exit code thread hdom thread and exit code, else info or debug if it worked %d exit code. I guess %u is more appropriate here. Failed to get its exit code. Actually, I probably don't even want to return here. Yeah. Make. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Let me do it in a separate window because I could not catch that at all. What on earth happened here? Where's one? Oh, sure. Yeah. No. Okay, I'm supposed to do it here. Make. Okay, there we go. Now how about debug? Yeah, so you can see it worked. Like, we're actually able to inject ourselves in the other process, and we can even call ourselves as a function in other processes. Which basically just makes it so that it's a bit easier to work with the injector in general. You don't have to like put DLLs in the same directory or anything like that. You just plop it down in your system wherever you want, and it just works. That's always a nice thing to have. When you can have it. Sometimes it's hard to do this, but when you can have it, it's always nice. Yeah, so that's what we'll do. That's what we'll do next time. And I'll probably take this stuff out. I just wanted to demonstrate it because I thought it was cool that you could do something like that, and we'll probably do something like that. Okay, great. Well, actually, maybe that's a bit too brutal. Yeah. Okay. Right. I'll actually probably commit this, and then we'll take it out next time we do this. Or how about git status inject exe into another process. Right, we'll do that, and then what we'll do is I will take this out. Not that, okay. And then we could take this out. Right, so next time we get back to this, we won't have that, but we'll still have it in like our version history so that people can like go back and take a look at it. Well, by people, it's probably just me, but so that I can take a look at that whenever I want. And that's it. That was fun. Yeah, see ya.